Affiliate marketing techniques and strategies to increase your sales. Is the internet really the road to instant riches? If you've ever asked that question, then it's obvious that you've never attempted to start an online business before. Take affiliate marketing as a quick example. This entails selling products for a commission. You'll never find the word instant associated with this business. Here are some tips to help you understand more about it. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, look for a company that offers a unique product. If you are just one person in a sea of reviews for the same product, you are less likely to have a high number of buyers. Promoting a product that is unlike anything else on the market and is not being promoted by many others will have a higher rate of success. Affiliate marketing is not just for people who know how to build websites. If you can write well, know how to promote products in a fun, interesting way and like to make extra money, then affiliate marketing can help you when you really need it. All you need to do is get permission from the company that you are interested in to sell their product. Investing in a personal organizer is a great tip to use if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer. Even if you're only using the organization features on your cell phone, you should make a note of your tasks, your schedules, your meetings, and other important information you will need to know about at any given moment. Although the profits from being an affiliate marketer aren't going to be instantaneous, they can be steady and they can be plentiful. Your particular level of success depends on how much you learn about marketing and how well you can develop a campaign. Use the tips provided to you here to assist you in your efforts. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.